Hi, I'm Nick, founder of Paddle Brewery. At Paddle, we are passionate about two things: social inclusion and brewing great beer. And no, we're not just another London microbrewery. We are aiming to join South London's brewing community, but with a key difference: our members brew the beer. Anyone from a complete beginner to an established brewer, a bar, restaurant or corporate can use professional quality equipment to make their own unique beer with all the guidance and equipment they need on tap. I've been brewing for years, in shared houses, in flats, and in railway arches like this. Along the way, I've realised brewing in London is really hard. We've got tiny flats, expensive equipment, and there's no help when things go wrong. So I went back to school and I discovered a new concept: brew on premises in the US and Canada. These are shared breweries where anyone can come along and use the equipment to make their own great beer. So we're making something a bit like a gym, but for brewers. All of the kit with none of the upfront cost or the space requirements. For a monthly fee, we will provide everyone with access to professional kit, guidance and industry quality ingredients to allow you to make something really unique, surrounded by a community who's just as passionate as you are. Over 2 million people in the UK either make wine or brew beer, and kit sales have soared over lockdown. This is a growing market, and we are here to help. Our membership subscription model has been designed to generate monthly recurring revenue, topped up by transactional revenue generated by sale of experiences such as corporate away days and stag do's, ingredients, and of course, beer. Our social mission is to help people with convictions through employment and apprenticeship programs, all the way up from taproom assistant to master brewer, a level 4 apprenticeship qualification. Studies show that employment post-release reduces reoffending rates by up to 23%. We have some funding from the Forward Trust, and we are in early stage conversations with the Ministry of Justice's New Futures Network, who broker relationships between prisons and employers. But how have we done so far? We are raising to build our first fully kitted out brewery and tap room here in South London, making and serving beer brewed on site. We want this business to be community owned. So come join us for as little as £10, and together we will help London brew great beer.